Alright, so it's a relatively cold day here in Hyde Park. We're going to get our drone set up. I came to a little bit of a local area just to do some quick flying. It's kind of cold. Didn't want to be out too long. Start to lose sensation in the hands, which is less than ideal. So we're just going to fly from next to the car. When I get cold, I'll sit inside, take a chill, or, well, the opposite really. I'll try and warm up. But we finally got our peanut butter jelly props back in, which is a huge success. I got some ND filters for the Action 2. Also a huge success. Looking forward to some nice cinematic footage coming from the action camera now. So let's get this thing all set up and ready to go. Ignore my antenna setup, it's less than perfect. My previous antenna took a bit of a dive of death. So we're gonna plug this in, get all set up and ready to go. Alright, cut back with you in a second.